Hi friends, welcome to a day in the life vlog. I look a mess because I just did 40 minutes of working out, and the last 10 minutes of it was intense, extreme ab workout that I almost threw up because it was so intense. I was like, jeez. I don't know if that's a good thing. Like, oh, you worked yourself out really good enough to the point where you almost threw up. That's good. Or should you have worked that hard? I guess I'll find out later. But my eczema is like flaring up so bad right here. You guys can see that. Yeah, it sucks. And right here too. But I found my skin medicine. I want to try that Eucrisa, the new stuff that's out. But I need to make a dermatologist appointment, which sucks because I have to make an appointment with my regular doctor, which is currently my midwife from when I was pregnant with Riley, which he's 2 now. So I make an appointment with her so she can refer me to a dermatologist so I can get my eczema fixed, hopefully, the best I can. I've had it since I was a baby, so. And then I have a lump in the back of my neck. I don't know if you can see that. And I don't know if you can see that very good. I don't know. It is, it came about when, my gosh, like, I've had it for like 7 years or so. And when I first got it, it got so big and where I couldn't move my head. It was so painful. And then I went, at the time I didn't have medical insurance, I went to the free clinic and the doctor was like, well, what do you think it is? And I'm like, I came to you, dude. I sat in line for like 3 hours to be seen. And you're just gonna say that? What do you think it is? So stupid. It's like, are you really a doctor? So I was like, I don't know, you tell me. So he gave me some antibiotics and stuff because he had no idea what it was. He didn't even like really thoroughly look at it. And it went down in size, like really small, and then it started getting big again. It doesn't really hurt. There's times where I feel like pulling from it. I don't know. It might be just a sebaceous cyst or whatever it's called, or my husband calls it a squishy. But so I need to go get that checked out and maybe removed. Hopefully removed, because I don't want a big old lump on the back of my neck. I mean, I don't pay much attention to it when I have my hair up. I just go around, but it's still, sometimes it's uncomfortable. But yeah, so I just did an intense workout. My house is a mess, and I am going to go to Dutch Brothers and get my favorite drink because it is today free because I have 10 stamps. Actually, I have 11 stamps. So I get a free drink. So yes, a large OG gummy bear. It's my favorite. So I'm going to go do that in just a little bit. If you're wondering what workouts I did. So I did the Beachbody on Demand. I did hip hop abs, cardio workout thing. It was like 30 minutes long, and then I had 10 minutes of 21 Day Fix Extreme core or something like that. It's your stomach, and it was intense because I have not been working out like I should for a long time. So yeah, I did that. I drank some water, and I am wearing my new Under Armour workout pants. My left foot is asleep, so that felt really weird when I moved my leg. Let me show you real quick. See, my Under Armour. La, 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 and my man feet. Yep. So yeah, and I don't know if you guys can hear it. I'm sure you can. My turtle tank, the water is pretty low, and it's making this really annoying pumping sound, so I need to add water to that today. I don't know if I'm going to clean out her tank today. I don't know if it really needs it yet. She's been pushing out eggs lately, and unfortunately it's so heartbreaking to me because she will like go to her eggs and like try to mother them and stuff, and what's really sad is that they won't hatch because we don't have a male turtle to fertilize them. So it's really heartbreaking. It's like I almost want to get a male turtle just to make Trixie happy because being a person who had a hard time with fertility for a while and went through the heartbreak, my heart breaks for anyone and any creature, any animal or anybody that has a hard time having their baby. So it breaks my heart. So I cried and cried and cried the first time she had eggs. She had like 3 or 4 eggs. If I have pictures of it in my phone, I'll add it here. But yeah, so it was really heartbreaking to me. I cried and cried and cried. And then eventually she realizes that they're not going to hatch and she just ate them. So I'm like, hey, you got your protein fix, I guess. But kind of morbid. But yeah, so I am going to get up. I probably won't even take a shower, to be honest with you guys. I'm just going to be a stinky woman today. It is 7:47 in the morning right now. And Riley's going to get up any second. So I really don't have time to take a shower. I'll just put my spray-on deodorant on and call it good. I might not even change my clothes. I don't know. I'm quite comfy in this. I did take off my my tummy wrap stuff I wear when I work out because it does, I think it does help. It's supposed to help and it feels like it does. So what I will probably do is just clean my face, clean my armpits, put some spray-on deodorant on, and then do my makeup, fix this crazy bun maybe. I might even just leave it. It's one of those days where I'm like, who cares? I need to clean my house though. My house has become a wreck. It's just become a mess. And yeah, I'll bring you along with me. Just kidding. I did do my makeup, did not do my hair, and I changed my clothes. I'm wearing one of my new Under Armour shirts that you might have seen in my most recent Kohl's clearance haul, and I'm wearing some old jeans I haven't worn in a long time. They might be too small for me, I don't know. I'm wearing my new kicks I got from Walmart. They're really cute and comfy. I like them a lot. So yeah, now, woo, my makeup. It's like glowing right here, like really bright. Sorry about that. But anyways, now I have to get Riley ready and we're gonna go to Dutch Brothers to get my favorite drink. Oh, I'm so excited. Much needed drink. Much needed. I'm going to be babysitting my cousin's kids today. So you might see clips of them and yeah, need some energy boost. So I'm on my way now to get my drink. All right. Riley is like sleeping really well right now. I do not want to wake him up, so Jaden is going to be listening for him to wake up, and so I can just rush over to Dutch Brothers and get my drink because the girl needs some liquid energy this morning. I did a pretty big workout, and I'm going to be watching my cousin's kids literally like all day from 10 a.m. to 6:30. So with her 3 and my 3, girl needs some liquid energy. What the heck's going on with my seatbelt? So yeah, I had to put this on because it's kind of chilly right now. It's yeah, it's gonna warm up later today, but it's not warm right now. So I'm gonna go head over there really quick and get my drink and can rush right back home to my babies. So yeah, you see here it's like super cloudy and gray right now. Hopefully it clears up because it is, ew, what's that? Sorry about that. It is really gloomy right now. Yucky. So anyways, I want to show you what I got. I got this right here. It is the OG gummy bear hand blended because it does not make me have brain freezes as much as the regular blended. This thing is so good. Alright, it's the next day. I thought I was going to do a video for all day yesterday, but I got really busy. So I'm going to film part of this day too. I am getting ready for Rhonda's baby shower. I'm actually putting it together with the help of her friend Joey, which is really awesome that I'm getting help with this because doing baby showers, sorry if you heard that, my husband has allergies really bad, but doing baby showers is a lot of work for one person, so I'm really glad I have his help. So I am going to bring you along with me while I am getting stuff ready. I'm making cupcakes, I am making pasta, pasta salad, and just more simple pasta salad, more fresh with cucumbers and stuff in it, and then also doing some decorations that I'm making myself. So come along with me while I do that. All right, so I just cooked this Suddenly Pasta Salad Classic, the twin pack. I did both of them because I'm making a big pasta salad for the baby shower. So I just did this, and I'm going to add some chopped up cucumbers and some sliced olives to it. I will be topping it off with this after I've mixed it all up. Alright, you guys, we are now our car full of stuff for the baby shower. I am dressed up for it, and I did my hair and makeup real quick, and my kids are all ready. We're just waiting outside of Walmart for my mom because she's picking up thank you cards to give out at the shower. So I will end this vlog here, and stay tuned for a video. I will hopefully get a video made of her shower because I'm really excited about it. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come. If you have not yet, definitely like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!
Bye. Bye.